Plymouth dirt track pace truck. Carl behind the wheel, out in front of the field. 55 is Mark Heiner. Opening item will not